We're headed westbound, 8090, right around 109.
And a large plume of black smoke.
The eastbound lanes are completely clear. State trooper just headed that direction.
On the other side.
We're getting ready to make the curve toward this huge plume of smoke, which literally just started. Hey, that could be Jason right there.
There's another stadium on the other side. Look at it. Okay, now it's super thick.
It's going now.
It is super thick.
I'm sure.
We may see an explosion. Ladies and gentlemen, stay seated. We're coming up to it right now.
Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, what is it? That looks hot. Holy
hot.
shit.
Holy hot. That is in the median.
That is on fire. What is that? It's just.
Car is on fire.
Oh my gosh.
This is not good.
What if it just decides to go?
Yep. We're going to feel the heat here.
Put down your window.
Oh, yeah. Right. We don't want the window to melt. It's okay for me to, I suppose.
You know, if ABC actually airs this,
holy
we can't.
Crap, it's going. It is bigger. It is bigger than I've ever seen a car fire ever. We're going to feel the heat on this one. I guarantee it.
Doug, what are your thoughts on this fire?
It's big. It's big. Holy shit.
Pardon our language. Oh, look at the flipped trailer.
There's a semi.
Oh
my god, that's hot.
That's so hot. And then the backup ensues. Ladies and gentlemen, that was a serious semi-fire.
That was hot. It felt like the sun, 1,000 suns.
And I'm not in the driver's seat.
I used to have a beard.
Yeah, I felt some singe. All right. Have a good morning.